Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the charging speed test between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Redmi K30. So here I got the two chargers connected, as you can see here friends. So let me first show you the charger specifications, because the Redmi K30 has the 27 watts charger, so whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro has the 18 watts charger. So let's compare side by side. Will it affect any charging speed rate, and how much does it affect for every 30 minutes and 1 hour and full charge? I'll be recording the timings as well, so you can compare side by side. So will buying the Redmi K30 is helpful in having the 27 watts or not? So we'll check in this video. So if you're first time watching this video friends, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist, so which contain in detail reviews about both the smartphones. So right now you can see side-by-side comparison between the 27 watts versus the 18 watts charger, and let's see what different is on the charger specifications. So if you see here, 5 watts 3 amperes is of same on the 18 watts charger, and next if you go 9 watts 3 amperes, here 9 watts 2 amperes, as you can see difference, and 12 watts 2.25 amperes, and here is 12 watts 1.5 amperes. So overall friends, these are the overall difference between the 27 watts versus the 18 watts charger. So let me plug the chargers and let me start the stopwatch by connecting to the both phones. So before starting, let me show you exactly the phone situation right now. As you can see, as the phone is completely dead to 0%, and right now I got the stopwatch ready in middle, as you can see here friends. And let me connect the cables and start the stopwatch at same time. So don't forget to check the links in description friends for the playlist, which contain in detail reviews about both the smartphones. You can find plenty of useful videos regarding both phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30 as well. So as you can see here friends, right now I connected the Note 8 Pro charger to the Note 8 Pro itself, and here I connected the K30 to K30 itself. So let me show you the exactly whether it's charging or not. As you can see 1%, and Redmi Note 8 Pro, as you can see here, it's charging. So overall, I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes, and let's check which phone will charge faster in terms of the charging rate. And don't forget to check the links in description friends. You can find plenty of useful videos regarding both smartphones. So as you can see friends, it's been 30 minutes of charging both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and K30. As you can see here, the battery percentage in the K30 is of 53% and 37%. So let me take down the readings of both the smartphones. As you can see friends, again I'll be back after 30 minutes, and let's check for 1 hour which phone will charge how much. You can see friends, exactly after 1 hour of charging both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30, let's check the battery percent how much it is. As you can see here clearly, 73 and 94%. So let me take down the readings here. So overall you can see guys, the difference between the Redmi Note 8 Pro's 18 watts and 27 watts. So definitely friends, the 27 watt charger is helping a lot in terms of the fast charging in the Redmi K30. So again I'll be continuing the test until the battery gets completely filled in both the phones. So let's check how much time it actually takes, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the K30, and we can compare side by side how much time between both the phones. As you can see friends, finally both the phones, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi K30, has got fully charged, and let's check the time how much it took actually. As you can see friends, 1 hour 18 minutes it took for the Redmi K30, and 1 hour 53 minutes for the Redmi Note 8 Note 8 Pro device. So overall, these are the both results for the charging speeds on Note 8 versus the Redmi K30 device. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. Don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.